Accessing your Vizio TV menu without a remote.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be tackling a very common issue many of us face. How to access the menu on your Vizio TV without using a remote control. Sometimes, we misplace our remotes or the batteries run out, but don't worry. Your TV itself has all the controls needed to navigate through its menu. So, let's dive in.
Locating the physical buttons on your Vizio TV.
Most Vizio TVs come with a series of physical buttons either on the left or right side, or along the bottom edge. Look for buttons labeled Menu, Input, Volume, and Power. If your TV model is a bit older, these buttons might be located on the rear side.
Understanding the buttons.
Menu button. This button will open the menu on your TV screen. It's typically represented with an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines or a small square with a triangle. Input button. It's used to switch between different inputs, like HDMI, AV, or antenna. Volume buttons. Not only for adjusting volume, but they also act as navigation buttons within the menu. Power button. This button turns your TV on and off.
Accessing and navigating through the menu.
Now that you've identified the buttons on your TV, let's go through the process of accessing and navigating the menu. 1. First, press the menu button. The main menu should now be displayed on your TV screen. 2. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the menu. The Volume Up button will typically move the selection upwards or to the right, and the Volume Down will move the selection downwards or to the left. 3. To select an option, press the Input button. 4. If you want to go back to the previous screen, press the Menu button again.
Exiting the menu.
To exit the menu, simply press the Menu button until you return to your main screen. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through your Vizio TV menu without the remote control. It's always good to know your way around these functions in case you can't locate your remote or it stops working. Hope this guide was helpful and you can now easily adjust settings on your Vizio TV without any hassle. Happy viewing!